I spent 7 years building a successful spa clinic, and now I'm retiring my hands for a laptop, and I'm here to show you how to take your success offline into an online income. Hi, it's Christina with Amour Body, and I can't even say that here. This is YouTube. Most of you all probably do know me from Amour Body. Amour Body Cosmetic Clinic, the most successful and largest cosmetic clinic in St. Louis, Missouri. You also probably know me from here, from Instagram or Facebook. But that's not what this is about. This isn't about my locations. This is about you. Well, me too, because I have to do it too. Well, us. What we have to do together to be successful in the online world. So if you gotta do it, I gotta do it too, and we just gonna do it together. Wait, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. I'm gonna tell y'all what we gotta do in a few, but just a little background. I started it myself in 2018, and I actually was in a suite then. Then in 2019, I moved to a storefront. I loved it so much that I also got the storefront next door. So I had a More Body beauty bar, and that had like 8 or 9 techs in there, nail techs, lash techs. Everybody was in there. It was fully staffed, fully rented out. It was amazing. The reason I needed next door as well is because there was no more space for me and my services, which were cosmetic based, doing like post-op and body care and things of that nature. Everything was completely service based, but it was mostly successful because of the internet. That was 7 years of building, grinding, and changing a lot of lives with my own bare hands. So I'm really grateful for that and what I did. And I'm excited to be able to teach others what they can do with their offline and how you can turn it into online. So it was successful because of digital, because of online presence, because of social media. That's why it's super easy for me to make that shift from service-based to online and helping teach others and let you all know everything that I did wrong and should have did, wish I did, and things I did right. Let's get into it. I've made 6 figures multiple years just from my brick and mortar by itself. I've also made money from online as well. And now I've made 0 on YouTube. I mean, it's YouTube. This is free. I'm not monetized. This is completely free. Y'all probably like, well, why are you here? Because even with all that success, I did see the need to focus on my own self and my own family more as far as time. I needed more time to myself. And you can't get that physically doing a service, but you can get that doing things online and moving your business online. I wanted more freedom in how I live and how I earn, just like you do too. Speaking that into existence, when I do hit monetization, which I don't know when that will be. This is a brand new channel. But when I do hit monetization, definitely I will let you all know everything. But right now, I'm at $0 with YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can follow along and see where everything's going. Turn on your post notifications too, especially if you're considering starting a channel just like I just did too. So why now? I've been an entrepreneur for... Before I even started Amour Body, I was already an entrepreneur before that. That's just my most successful business. Over the last decade, I have been an entrepreneur, and more than half of the decade, I've been a full-time entrepreneur. The main problem was, I would say, that stopped me from pivoting to online was myself. I wanted everything to be perfect all the time. I'm so embarrassed, but I gotta be transparent. I wanted a whole entire content studio of my own just to film in, a podcast room, huge video cameras. I wanted all this set up. Then, okay, so I got some setup equipment, right? Then I want this done, that done. I want everything had to be perfect. That was the issue. That's why I said it was me. Nobody else was stopping me from that. If you just want everything to be perfect, you'll never start. It won't happen. So I'm going to get into how we can make money online. But first, I want to tell y'all something more important, how to keep the money and keep yourself balanced. Because let's say you are making that money online, it won't matter because you're imbalanced. You have to be balanced as a person first before you start anything. That's why I want to make sure I'm teaching you all this first. There's 4 B's of balance. This is how you will be balanced as a person. Physical health. Write it down. Your physical health is super important. I call it body. Brain, or our mental health. I call it our brain. Then you also have your gut health. Your gut. I call it your belly. Write down your gut health. And last, another one that people are oddly uncomfortable to talk about is going to be your financial health. I call it your bank. So you should have written down your body, brain, belly, and bank. The reason that also I'm saying these are all balanced to you because they're all intertwined. They all connect with each other in some way, shape, or form. If one is low and not performing well, it will trickle down to the others. It can lead to depression. It can lead to all type of things, but they all intertwine and connect with each other. So our body, our physical health, that's the fact that you have some strength, some physical strength to be able to do something, you're on track. You want to make sure that you're exercising and getting your body together. I'm going to say feeding your body, but that's going down the gut. See how they're already all connected. So your physical health is super important. Also, that physical exercising will give you energy, and that will help clear up some of that brain fog that a lot of you all have probably been experiencing wanting to start a YouTube channel or online business. So keep your physical strength up. You got to have your physical strength. Your brain. What about our brain? What about our mental health? People are always screaming mental health. What does that mean? Mental health is super important because that is encompassing a lot. That's your thoughts. Your brain is what's telling your body what to do. Your brain is telling your body how to go to the store and overspend if you're spending a lot. See how they're all connected now. It's also going to give you your emotional intelligence. All this is mental. It's going to give you your prayers, thoughts, everything. Your brain is so important, which is why we also have to make sure that we keep up with our physical activity because that helps our brain. Our brain even gives us our memory. If you can't remember what you just learned to implement it, what was the point? Belly. Stress and anxiety from your brain can start interrupting your belly or your gut health too. So let's say your gut health is bad. You're drinking Red Bull. You're drinking 4 Red Bulls a day, eating 5 McDonald's cheeseburgers, and add extra salt. Look, it might sound good for now, but your gut health has to be on point. You should be having vegetables, fibers, all these things contain vitamins which help sharpen our brain and help make us think better, which gives us better life choices if we're thinking clear, we're thinking with clarity. Not to even mention our belly, what we're eating, and our gut health also provides us with strength for our physical being. Even eating with proper gut health can help you with your appearance and confidence. A healthy gut influences your immune system most importantly, and a lot of scientists even refer to your gut system as your second brain. That's where the saying "you are what you eat" comes from. Also, poor nutrients and poor digestion can also lead to, once again, going back to your brain, it can lead to brain fog and all kinds of things, which will make it harder to do your financial goals. Bad eating can also lead to mood swings. So we'll go over the last one. Financial health. You would think I wouldn't have to explain this one, but people act so embarrassed to say that they want to be able to be comfortable or that they want to make some money. People are just uncomfortable with saying that they want to make money. It's okay to say that you want to earn a certain amount of money. I have another really good video that focuses more on that because I want you to know how much you want to make first before you start planning goals. Because the amount that people want to make is going to be different. Like everybody wants to make a different amount of money. What's comfortable to you might not be comfortable to the next person. If you've ever been broke, okay? Because I have. So if you've ever been broke, you got to know financial stress is a burden, okay? The financial stress of people not knowing, like, how is my rent going to be paid? How am I going to eat? The financial stress is one of the worst stresses a body can take on. So not only people can't even sleep, people won't eat because they're stressed out financially. Keeping that financial stability and knowing how to save some money and how to spend some money, how to invest in yourself, because that will lead to more money, is super important. So as you can see, the body, the brain, the belly, and the bank are all connected. Just a few pointers. So energy and focus, you want to make sure you're feeding your belly with good things so that you stay energized and focused so that you can start your online business and make that money, okay? You want to make sure that you're not stressed. That's hard. That's easier said than done though. But stress in one area deters another area. It even impacts your muscles. I'm a massage therapist. Being stressed will have you in fight or flight mode, and you don't want your body always thinking that something's going to happen. That's not a level, balanced way to live. If you're constantly thinking something's going to happen, worried, stressed out, and in anxiety, not stretching out your muscles, you're going to shut down. You're going to lead to depression. And we don't want that for you, friend. Some of you all might even be depressed right now watching this video and clicking through on YouTube on how you should get started, and you're just looking for a little motivation. You could watch something over and over, but are you actually motivated to do something about it? We want that confidence up. If you're physically exercising, looking your best, feeling your best, how many of y'all have went to the gym and it felt so amazing afterwards? The term "I feel good inside and out," it shows on your body. You can feel it. And I want to say another old saying too: health is wealth. Your body is connected to your bank. So me too, are going to work on this for 90 days. For the sake of YouTube, I'm going to do a check-in video about my own journey in 30 days. I want y'all to let me know in the comments what day you're starting, which should be today, the day that you're seeing this video. I've already started. So when I do my check-in video, I'll just go over all the changes and things that are different, how it's helped me, leveled me up, the glow up, all that. So I'm going to do that in 30 days. And each 30 days I'll have a new video. But in the meantime, I'll tell you how to build your sites, how I turn my spa into online money. I'll have to go over with you all email list, email marketing, text blast, Shopify, type of camera, everything. I'm going to go into all digital branding for you. Plus much more. I have tons of knowledge to share with you all. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And I do have a question for y'all before y'all go. Let me know what's one skill that you have yourself that you'd like to turn into an online business. I'll help you. I'll comment to the first few and let you know what I think that you can do. But comment below, what is a skill that you have that can be turned into an online business? All right, and I'll talk to y'all later.